Fungi. Fungi is a non-chlorophyllous plant. It is a saprophyte or parasite. Its general characteristic features. One is majority of fungi is made up of thin filamentous branched structure called hyphae. A number of hyphae gets interwoven to form mycelium. The cell wall of fungi is made up of polysaccharide called chitin and fungal cellulose. The fungal mycelium is categorized into two types based on presence or absence of septa. Fungi hyphae is aseptate, multinucleate in lower fungi. In lower fungi, the hyphae is aseptate, multinucleate, is known as cenocytic mycelium. This is the cenocytic mycelium. This is aseptate. This is get multinucleate. Example albugo. In higher fungi, a septum is present between the cell of hyphae. Example fusarium. This is the septate mycelium. This is the nucleus. One cell get one nucleus. The mycelium is organized into loosely is compactly interwoven fungal tissue called plancton-gyma. It is further divided into two types, prosengyma and pseudoparenchyma. In the former type, the hyphae are arranged loosely or but parallel to one another. In the latter, hyphae are compactly arranged and lose their identity. Next, the holocarpic form, the entire thallus is converted into reproductive structure, whereas eucarpic in holocarpic form, entire thallus is converted into reproductive structure, whereas eucarpic, some region of thallus involved in reproduction, other region remains vegetative. Fungi reproduce both asexual and sexual method. The asexual phase is called anomorph and the sexual phase is called telomorph. Fungi having both phases are called holomorph. General sexual reproduction in fungi includes three steps. One is fission of two protoplasts, that is called plasmogamy. Fission of nuclei, that is called karyogamy, and production of haploid spores through meiosis. Methods of reproduction in fungi. One is sexual reproduction, another one is asexual reproduction. We see first asexual reproduction. One zoospore. They are flagellate structure produced in zoosporangia. Example chytrid. Second one is gonidia. The spores produced on gonidiophore. Example Aspergillus penicillium. This is the penicillium. Gonidia formation. This is gonidiophore. This is ramus medulla strigma. This is gonidium. This gonidium go to other side, any place that produce new filamentous. Next, oidea. Oidea are thallospore or orthospore. The hyphae divided and developed into spores called oidea. This is the oidium. The cells are divided and produced oidium. This is oidea. Next, fission. The vegetative cell divided into two daughter cells. Example, Schizosaccharomyces. The fission, the example, this is one mother cell. The After they produced two daughter cells. This is fission. Budding. A small outgrowth is developed on parent cell which gets detached and becomes independent. Example, Saccharomyces yeast. This is the yeast. The small outgrowth developed in parent cell. Nucleus and some cytoplasmic parts going that side. After they produce two cells. Chlamydophore. Thick-walled resting spores are called chlamydospores. This is the chlamydospore. Example, Fusarium. The thick-walled spores. The spore is a resting spore. The favorable condition, they produce new thallus. Next, sexual reproduction. First one, plasmogametic copulation. Fission of motile gametes is called planogametic copulation. Planogametic copulation. One is isogamy. Fission of morphologically and physiologically similar gametes. Example, Synchytridium. Anisogamy. Fission of morphologically or physiologically dissimilar gametes. Example, Albugo. Oogamy. Fission of both morphologically and physiologically dissimilar gametes. Monobulbaris. Next, gametangial contact. During sexual reproduction, a contact is established between Antheridium and Oogonium. Example, Albugo. This is the gametangial contact. This is the Antheridium, Oogonium. This is gametangial contact. Next, gametangial copulation. Fission of two gametangia to form zygospore. Example, Mucorrhizobus. This is the gametangious copulation. Spermatization. It is the method in unicellulate. Microgonidium is transferred or to receptive hyphae cell. Example, Puccinia neurospora. This is neurospora. Spermatization. This is microgonidium. Come into the thallus cell. The trigone. Next, somatogamy. Fission of two somatic cells of the hyphae. Example, Agaricus. Next, classification of fungi. Many mycologists have attempted to classify fungi based on vegetative and reproductive characters. Traditional classification categories fungi into four classes, that is Phygomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Deuteromycetes. Among these, Phygomycetes includes fungal species of Oomycetes, Chytriomycetes and Zygomycetes, which are considered as lower fungi, including algal origin fungi. Next, Alexopoulos in 1979 proposed the classification of fungi into the book Introductory Mycology. They classified fungi into three divisions, namely Gymnomycota, Mastigomycota, Amastigomycota. There are 8 subdivisions, 11 classes, 1 form class and 3 form subclasses in classification proposed by them. The silent features of some classes in Oomycetes, Zygomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes and form class Deuteromycetes are discussed below. First one is Oomycetes. The Oomycetes is xenocytic mycelium is present. The cell wall is made up of glucan and cellulose. Zoospore with one whiplash and one tinsel flagellum is present. Sexual reproduction is oogamous. Example, Albugo. Next, Zygomycetes. Zygomycetes. Most of these species are saprophytic and live on decaying plants and animals matter in the soil. Some leads parasitic life, example Endomophytora and housefly. Bread mold fungi, example Mucorrhizopus and Coprophilous fungi. Fungi growing on dung, example Bilopolis, belong these groups. This is the zygomycetes fungi, example Rhizobus. This is rhizoid. This is cenozoic mycelium. This is a sporangiospore. This is sporangium. Next, the mycelium is branched and cenozoic. Asexual reproduction by means of spores produced in sporangia. Sexual reproduction is by the fission of gametangia with result in thick-walled zygospore. It remains dormant for long period. The zygospore undergoes meiosis and produce spores. Next, ascomycetes. Ascomycetes include a wide range of fungi such as yeast, powdery mildew, cup fungi, morels, and so on. Although majority of the species live on terrestrial environment, some lives in aquatic environment, both freshwater and marine. The mycelium is well developed and branched with simple septum. Majority of them the saprophytes, but few parasites also known powdery mildew, erysipeae. Next, asexual reproduction takes place by fission, budding, oidea, gonidia, and chlamydospore. Sexual reproduction takes place by the fission of two compatible nuclei. Plasmogamy is not immediately followed by karyogamy. Instead, a dikaryotic condition is prolonged for several generations. A special hyphae is called ascogenous hyphae is formed. A crucier is formed when the tip of the ascogenous hyphae requires forming a hooped cell. The two nuclei in the penultimate cell of the hyphae fuse to form a diploid nucleus. This cell forms young ascus. The diploid nucleus undergoes meiotic division to produce 4 haploid nuclei, which further divide mitotically to form 8 nuclei. The nucleus gets organized in 8 ascospores. The ascospores are found inside of bag-like structure called ascus. Due to the presence of ascus, this group is popularly called sac fungi. Asci gets surrounded by a sterile hyphae formed fruit body called ascocarp. There are 4 types of ascocarp, namely, one is Clistothecium, completely closed; Perithecium, flask-shaped with ostiole; Apothecium, cup-shaped. This is open type; and Pseudothecium. This is the ascospore. The 2 nuclei is come from to the cell. After the 2 nuclei joined into nucleus, this is diploid cell. After mitotic division, they produce 4 nuclei. The 4 nuclei are after mitotically divided into 8 cells. The 8 cells are having ascus. This is called ascospore. This is the Passisa fruit body. This is Clistothecium. Clistothecium completely closed ascocarp. This is Perithecium. Perithecium flask shaped with ostiole. This is ascospores. This is apothecium. It is cup-shaped and open type. These are the fruit bodies of ascocarp. Next, basidiomycetes. Basidiomycetes include puffball, toadstool, bird nest fungi, bracket fungi, stinkhorns, rust and smuts. The members of terrestrial and lead a saprophytic and parasitic mode of life. The mycelium is well developed septate with dolichos septum. This is the dolichos septum. 3 types bracket like dolichos septum. 3 types of mycelium, namely primary monokaryotic, secondary dikaryotic and tertiary are found. Clump connection and formed to maintain dikaryotic condition. Asexual reproduction is mean by of gonidia, idea and or budding. Sexual reproduction is present but sex organs are absent. Somatogamy or spermatization result the plasmogamy. Karyogamy is delayed and dikaryotic phase is prolonged. Karyogamy takes place the basidium and it is immediately followed by meiotic division. The 4 nuclei thus formed there are transformed into basidiospore, which are borne on stigmata outside the basidium exogenous. The basidium is cup-shaped with 4 basidiospore. Thus, this group of fungi is popularly called club fungi. The fruit body formed is called basidiocarp. Next, deuteromycetes